Gonna grab a spoon of Chiltepín, maybe half a spoon of Chiltepín, maybe a quarter spoon of Chiltepín. You can smell it. Hello, my name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make salsa de Chiltepín. Chiltepín is this very small chili grown in northern parts of Mexico, and it's one of the most spicy chilies we have. One of those will go a long way, so you don't need much. So we're gonna start mashing our Chiltepín. So we have our Chiltepín. We gotta set it aside. We can add a little bit of oil into a saute pan. We're gonna chop our garlic, onion, Roma tomatoes, salt, all right. So our vegetables are nice and cooked. The onion is translucent. We're gonna start adding it into our molcajete. And a little bit of salt. We're gonna add a little bit of sherry vinegar. That's gonna give a little bit of acidity. It's gonna help balance the spice. And here's the fun part. I'm gonna grab a spoon of Chiltepín, maybe a quarter spoon of Chiltepín. Then we're gonna add into our salsa. This is the perfect salsa for a carne asada. That's what I would like to put it on. Nice steak. Now we can taste. It's nice, almost creamy because of the tomato and the onions and the garlic. You can smell the spice. The vinegar really rounds it up. It gives a little bit of acidity to start, and you get punched with the heat. It's definitely spicy, but delicious. This will be really good if you hangover. That's it. Cure. Really good.